friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox error code 279 in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also face this error, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go Windows 11 setting, then press on privacy and security, then click on Windows security, click on firewall and network protection, then click on private network. If your Microsoft Defender firewall is enabled, you should disable this option. After disabling this option, close this window, open your control panel, select here network and sharing center, click on Wi-Fi, click on properties, then select here Internet Protocol version 4, then click on properties. Here you select second one option, use the following DNS server address, select this one option, then type here 1.1.1.1, then type alternate DNS server 1.0.0.1, then click on OK. After that, close this option, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on as, then type here first command ipconfig space / flush DNS, then hit enter. Type here another command netsh space winshock space reset, then hit enter. After that, restart your PC, fix your problem. So in this way you fix Roblox error code 279 in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.